Did you know? Seahorses are the only creatures where the male bears the unborn young. Fascinating, isn't it? These intriguing creatures with their horse-like heads and monkey-like tails are known for their unique courtship rituals. They dance, change colors, and even sing to each other. There are about 45 species of seahorses worldwide, found in shallow tropical and temperate waters. Seahorses are incredibly slow swimmers, the slowest in the sea, in fact. Their diet? They love to feast on small crustaceans. Sadly, seahorses are under threat due to overfishing and habitat loss. So let's do our bit to protect these amazing creatures. If you enjoyed this bite-sized fact, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating snippets from the natural world. Remember, knowledge is power.